I wan give una update how you fit achieve very yummy chicken and yummy chicken stock to take make jollof rice. I know say I don first share with una how I dey make my jollof rice, but I get different ways on how I take dey make my jollof rice. So for this video I wan show una another way wey you take make your yummy jollof rice, like e go sweet like party jollof rice. So here na my chicken. I don put garlic powder, ginger powder, thyme, curry, my aromat, my seasoning cube, and then now I go come add some bay leaf. I still add some salt, but I no put pepper. So I add all the whole seasoning stocks to take season chicken. You know some people na only curry and thyme na dey use. When you use only curry and thyme, your chicken, your jollof rice chicken no go just sweet, no go come out like no go get that unique taste. You need to add all the whole seasoning wey be say I mention just now for this video. So add all of them, add your bay leaf, add your salt, your garlic powder, your ginger powder, your onions, your salt, your aromat. I don first show una aromat before for this my page. So you need to add that aromat, e dey give chicken another vibe. I no know wetin dey take do that thing. Na e be like all purpose seasoning, you understand. So add that one, then add your bay leaf. After you don add am, put water, and then you steam your chicken. Not too much water o. I don already fry my own like this. So here na my multi tomatoes wey I want to make the jollof rice, and then my onions, my sliced onions, and then this thing be like spring onions, but not be spring onions. Na me I put the picture, so na leeks dem dey call am. Try and use am cook your jollof rice, you go thank me later. This one na bell pepper and onions wey I don already blend. So that is all for now. I'll be uploading the next video, so watch out for the next video. And here is my almighty tomato paste. I love this tomato paste.